Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Going to kill two birds with one stone with this video. How you can make this and how you can also make it perfectly like this. We are going to take the 3-point curve line. I had two questions or one question, and I'm going to hold down the control button, and then I'm going to hold down the control. I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to hold down the control button to get a perfect arch. If you don't hold the control button down, you get that. But if you do that, you get an arch. Now, if we look at this, there are only 3 nodes. We can take the shape tool and select it, and it says 3 node. Well, we want a node there and there. So we can select it all and add nodes. And now it's putting nodes in between the other nodes. So we can take another 3-point line and go from that node and that node, hold down the control button and make an arch, select it all, and we're going to make it something other than a hairline. Let's make it even thicker. Let's make it 50 points. Now I want the end caps to be round, so I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard, and I'm going to go right here to end caps and make it round. Now these are round in the middle, but they're intersected, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to select this, go up to object and convert the outline to an object. And then I'm going to select it all. I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. And you can see that it's perfect. Now I can take this and weld it, and then I can make that item blue and then to actually take away the outline. And you don't have to, have that right there. You could set your nudge factor on like, let's set on like 1/4 of an inch. And you could actually have this go beyond there a little bit. And then you could weld it and you get a total different look. Now you can smart fill it, or because it's an object, you can just select it with your shape tool or your pick tool, and you can make it whatever color you want. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.